Hi there. Welcome to my Excel tutorial channel. I hope you will find my Excel tutorial clip is helpful. Please feel free to click share to share this clip to your friends, or subscribe my Excel tutorial channel. Today, I am going to show you how to add a drop-down list to an Excel cell. An Excel drop-down list or drop-down menu can make it easier for the average Microsoft Excel user to enter data on a worksheet or workbook. Using a drop-down menu in web forms, surveys, or polls can limit the entry choices for a selected cell, speeding data entry and reducing data entry error. In this Excel tip, I will show you a quick and easy way to create a drop-down list or drop-down menu using the spreadsheet application's data validation feature. Now, let's get started. To create a drop-down list in Excel, you need two things: a list of values and a blank cell to use as the data entry cell. In this example, we will enter a list of value: dog, cat, rabbit, turtle, and type in the cell where you want the drop-down list at. In this case, pet list. Select cell G3. You can position the drop-down list in most any cell or even multiple cells. Choose Data Validation from the Data ribbon menu. Choose List from the Allow Options drop-down list. Click the Source Control box and drag the cursor to highlight the cells B3, B6. Alternately, simply enter the reference equals $B$3, $B$6. Make sure the In-Cell drop-down option is checked. If you uncheck this option, Excel still forces users to enter only list values, but it won't present a drop-down list. Click OK. Now, go to cell G3. The drop-down list has been created. Voila! You have successfully added a drop-down list to an Excel cell. Thank you for watching. Goodbye. See you in my next clip.